Meanwhile, a variety is a distinguishable form or variant of a language that differs based on social, historical, geographical, or cultural factors. Examples include pidgins, simplified languages created to enable communication between groups without a common language, often borrowing vocabulary from a dominant language. Creoles, fully developed languages that evolve when pidgins become native languages for a community. Regional dialects, variants of a language tied to specific geographic areas. Ethnolex, language forms used by particular ethnic groups such as African American Vernacular English. Sociolex, language varieties associated with social classes, professions, or age groups. And lastly, indigenized varieties, adapted forms of a language used in multilingual or post-colonial contexts like Taglish,